Today I'm super excited. We are filming with John Moonlight. He is a Pan Am gold medalist, Canadian champion. Oh, dude, you're coming in a little too early. You're making me look bad. All right, look at him. He's a machine. Today he is taking us through a sevens workout. The World Cup is this weekend, so he's gonna show us how the boys train, what they will be doing in the build-up, and hopefully I can keep up. The big man right here. Let's get at it.
John Moonlight, strong, tough and direct. He's been a real stalwart for Canada.
Number one, before the workout, what are we doing here?
We're greasing up the joints, getting the body working. So we're gonna grab the rollers here.
Oh, I like the sounds of that.
Roll out.
So you guys would do this like in the morning, afternoon, a couple times a day?
Yeah, usually in the morning.
Yeah.
We'll be sitting down as a group.
I could get used to this. Just roll out here and... John is gonna take us here through, this is the start of the warm-up. We're all nice and warm. What are we doing here?
Yeah, we're getting into some jump squats. So moving the body quickly. We'll get in the bar, get it going.
Yeah, the idea is fast is leanness, I guess, right?
Exactly.
Here we go, here we go. I'm gonna have to hide my calves here. This embarrassed me. 45s? Yeah, just 45s, he says. Listen up. Try it out.
Oh my God.
Come on, man, I'm retired and I'm a dad. You're killing me here.
Dad bods are the new thing. Right?
Yeah, they are. Lean dad bod. All right, this is for the lean dad bod. Just like the old days. We started playing together, what year was it, Ontario?
We're at U17?
Yeah, U17, so I'm 31 now. Are you
31?
Yeah, 31, so a long time ago. So I already can't feel my legs. What do we got next? What's up?
All right, step 2, we're going, we got some jumps.
Yeah.
A little explosive movement again, and then we're doing the posterior chain.
Okay.
So it glutes, hamstrings, all that stuff.
And because hamstrings make us run fast, I've been told.
Exactly, we gotta run away from everyone.
Yeah.
Bad or run them over.
Yeah, I'm running away from you. All right, let's go, let's go.
Right. First exercise, box blast. So as if we're going up for a kickoff. So 5 each side, pushing on, knee coming up, as if you're touching the ball.
You might just want to watch your head up there.
Used to be taller, I swear, I'm getting old.
Wow.
Another.
Explosive.
While you're on that one, I'm gonna hop on the other one here. Shift glute bridge. And slide the hamstrings back in.
Hated more than anything when I played sevens in my brief career as a sevens player was kickoff. So you got basically, they kick the ball up as high as you can and you got to catch it against, you know, guys who are like 6'5", 6'7", who can jump so high, and you need to retain the ball. But I wasn't very good at it, but that was Moonlight's job too, and that's why he probably played 10 years longer than me.
Back this restart, and they do through John Moonlight.
They're up already?
Oh, not a good sign. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, I think my comeback is over. Oh. I have no hamstrings anymore. But we're going on to the next superset. It's nice and explosive. What do we got again? Please be easy on me.
We're going upper body, so we got push press and a little lower body row. Save your legs for later.
Yeah, thank you.
So again, bar moving fast, weight moving fast. We want to feel good at the end.
Yeah. So basically everything we're doing here is nice and explosive. That's what these guys are all about as athletes. You just want to move as fast as you can, kind of like the lean life. Doing a little bit of heavier weight, obviously, because he is an absolute machine. I'm doing my best to keep up, but that is the idea behind today. Explosive equals leanness and get on the field, right?
Exactly.
5 reps?
5 reps.
3, 4, 5. If I've learned anything, it's pick your workout partner very carefully.
Straight bent over row. You want that weight moving fast, pulling all the way through the back. We don't want to cut it short.
Let's see, do it.
Want a couple more?
Oh my. Oh, get a couple more. Why did I give him a sleeveless?
Four times.
4 times?
4 times, yeah.
Yeah, okay, 4 times. There we go, in the bank. I think we got one last little super.
Yeah, one of those supers.
I've had a lot of anxiety about this, but it's time. We've finished our gym. Now we're at the field doing a official sevens fitness session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
This is part of his daily training with the sevens program. So he's used to it. I obviously do lots of sprints and hit cardio. This is next level when you're beside this guy. So we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna do a quick warm up.
Yeah, go through a quick warm up and let's get into it. Let's see how you feel in a couple minutes.
All right.
So we'll just jog out there to 22 and back.
I like the jog. FYI, we're doing the hamstring sweep because Mooner absolutely ruined my hamstrings with those slide outs.
Oh, then we'll get right into that glute there.
Oh, I like that.
This is the old guy stretch. This is the feel good.
Yeah,
Look around at what's going on.
And what are we doing?
We're doing some suicides.
Suicides.
Downs. So
leanest suicides.
every time you hit the goal line, hit the deck with your chest. Out 10 meters, back 20 meters back, and then all the way to half and back.
All right, 10 minutes, that's it. 10 minutes with John Moonlight. We're gonna be sprinting as hard as we can, lift the tempo, lift the heart rate, and then we'll get the body going.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on.
End of the game, you gotta fight through it.
It was so good. Belly breathe. Belly breathe.
What's a belly breathe?
I don't know. Ask him.
The diaphragm sucking in. 3 seconds.
Man, that extra one was so
Overtime, baby.
overtime. I guess you don't stop till the whistle goes.
That's exactly.
Oh man, that's crazy. That was only 10 or 11 minutes with the overtime.
Oh my God, my heart rate is insane. That's what we need.
Yeah, just enough time to get that heart rate going.
So that's like the foundation of your fitness.
Right there, yeah. These are what we start at. We'll get to the longer stuff later. This is what we finish the season at. Quick, sharp, get you breathing hard.
And like you said, you're not wasting any time.
No.
In and out. So 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We went 10 meters, touch the line, back into a suicide or a burpee, or
yeah, up, down.
Up, down, up, down, you call it. Then 22 meters out, touch the line, back to where you started, burpee or up, down, sorry, and back out, and you go as hard as you can, as far as you can for 30 seconds. Active recovery.
Yeah, moving around on your recovery, then back to the line, away you go again.
And I'm guessing I got 0 points for recovery. You're saying breathe through your tummy?
Yeah, use your core to breathe. Tries to help slow your heart rate down, get more oxygen in your lungs.
And you were standing a lot taller than me. Is that because you want to open up the lungs, or
I think it's old age or wisdom, but yeah, no, I'm staying up high, trying to get the air into the lungs. As soon as you bend over, you can't bring as much air in, so stay up high, put your hands up if you need to, get that air coming in and out.
Just that was hard. That was really hard, but so good. Outside, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, job done. Like you're not gonna get your heart rate any higher than that. So you want to push it as hard as you can. Thank you, John.
Yeah, buddy.
That was a pleasure. Thank you for coming out today. That was so much fun. Definitely hard work, but I enjoyed it. Felt like I was playing again. And I think a comeback is on the cards soon, maybe?
Yeah, 2019, 2020. See two new blonde heads on the field again.
Nice one. That was good, man.
That was really good, eh?
Yeah.